We are adding the rational expressions for question number 11, and it's kind of an interesting looking problem because we're actually adding the reciprocal of the fraction to itself. But really, let's try to treat it like any other question. So I'm going to put parentheses around it. I'm going to try and get the same denominator. There's really no factoring to do here. So my LCD, well, this one has an x plus 7. This one doesn't have any x plus 7. So I need to have it just once here. This one doesn't have any x minus 2's. This one has one x minus 2. So I need an x minus 2. So that would be my LCD. So the first one has an x plus 7, but it's missing an x minus 2. But then I also need to multiply the top by x minus 2 to keep it legal. The bottom one, or the right one, has a x minus 2, but it's missing an x plus 7. And then to keep it legal, you need to multiply the top by x plus 7. So I'm going to need to simplify this. So I'm going to leave the denominator alone. So the denominators I'm going to leave alone, but the numerators I'm going to FOIL. So the first, or the top left numerator, is going to be x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 4. So you are foiling that. Same here. Only the numerators are foiling. And then that'll be x squared plus 7x plus 7x plus 49. So then when I add these up, this is going to be x minus 2, x plus 7, and then I want to combine like terms on top. So x squared plus x squared is 2x squared. Negative 2x minus 2x plus 7x is going to be plus 10x. And then 4 plus 49 is going to be 53. Now before I circle this as my answer, I would just want to double check that I can't factor that top any further. So AC would be 106, B would be 10, and if you look for numbers, there's actually no numbers that multiply together to give you 106 but add to be 10. So the top cannot be factored, and that means I can't get a minus 2 or a plus 7. So this would be my final answer.